Hi guys, if you want to create viral fisheye text reel, then I'll show you how you can do it in this particular video. So you can see these kind of videos get a lot of views, and if you want to create it, it's very easy. Let me show you how it's done. So first we'll go to the Play Store or App Store, and you will download this app called Edits Video Editor. This is by Instagram, easily available. You can download it and use it. So once you've done that, you can click on open the app, and then click on this plus icon and upload any image or video that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this video, so I'll just upload it. Once the media gets uploaded, what we'll do is we'll add the text. So for that, we'll click on the text button and we'll add any text that we want to use. So now I've done that. You can adjust the size of the text, okay, like I've done it here. Then you can select an advercase font. So I've done that again. Now I'll change the color to yellow. Okay, and finally going to the effects tab, I'll select the fisheye option. Let me just quickly look for it. Yeah, the fisheye option. And here you can see that the text has been changed. You can adjust the sizing if you want to. And once you do that, again, this is done. So now, based on all the other edits, whatever you want to do, you can do it. And you can click on the export button and your reel is ready. So it's as simple as that. If you want to know more about Instagram editing and stuff like that, you can comment below and I'll make more videos if needed.